Hey, how you doing? I got another try not to laugh challenge for you. This one's called Try Not Laugh Impossible. Of course, this is from Moomin also. It's just called Try Not Laugh. I don't know. At this point, I don't even know if I should give these, like, specific titles anymore, you know? You know, Moomin doesn't. He has, like, 45 videos called Try Not to Laugh or Try Not Laugh. Anyway, this bird's on a bird that says no bird. Anyway, let's go. Link in description. 3, 2, 1, play. Peculiar. Whoa! He had a force power. Oh, yeah, I've seen this in the subtle foreshadow. Somebody wants to die. It was that bitch. She lost her over teeth and she's dead. What is that, a ring light? What is that, Wings of Redemption? Alright. Very talented. The little kiss noise. What's up, Bubba? How you doing? Hey. Damn, girl. Hold on. Bro, you can't tease me like that. Stomp on me. Yeah. Damn, girl. They made that in fucking sexy size. Help. You fucking laugh at me. I need to get this cum. Oh, oh no. Yeah, you gotta play Freebird. Freebird! Yeah, that's not gonna. Wow. You cooked it so well, it fucking immediately came off that motherfucker.
Snicker!
What? Nothing said. It's just...
Fucking satisfied! What the fuck is it?
Well, they just forgot to print on the other side. Mr. Steve? Watch out, you got you. Hey. Do it, die. Die like Minecraft. What the fuck is that? Oh, yeah. This poor baby. No baby. It's like 8 people. A little concerning that one was white, one was black, and the other one was, I don't know. What is happening? Yeah, clean up, bro. Yeah, clean up that asshole. This is very weird. I don't like this. I don't like that. Was that AI? Please tell me it was. It's toilet paper. Toilet paper, man. He's scary. I think I've drank too much soda. My brain hurts. I have a brain issue. Those are like cotton balls anyway. Oh, you motherfucking cocksucker. You faked me out. What the fuck? Let's go, Brad. Oh, no, you shitting. Oh. Beat him. Hit him. He's like, no, never mind. He's like, come on, make a goat noise. Summons demon. Fuck that. He'll fucking dead. I think she kind of looked over at him too.
Brad! Come here!
She's Brad?
You serious?
You fucking shit in my mouth. If shit particles are in my mouth, you fuck. He did the slap. That's funny. Oh, I guess there you go, proof. Hell yeah, bro. Rice Krispies? What the fuck? You might as well eat the box that comes in. It tastes exactly the same. But it doesn't crackle. How about I fucking crack your knees with my golf club? Is the milk in the box? The milk was in the box. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I love you too. She's fine. Look at me.
Ismael,
What the fuck happened? I was enjoying my soup. You know, fuck you. Bubble. Like, straight up dark side Phil. Remember when he used to fucking blow bubbles? That was a thing he used to do. Anybody remember that? Anybody know who I'm talking about? If you don't know who DSP is, I'm sorry. Or actually, good. Don't look him up. Anyway. Oh, he's gonna trip. He's gonna do the. Yep, there it is. It's so perfect. You know what? I just watched Scream 7. I don't remember seeing Ghostface do that once. Dude, that has the stupidest, shittiest reveal. It really was shit. That reveal sucks so much cock. Oh, yeah, bro. Look at him go. I didn't see it. I didn't see shit. I didn't see it. I thought she was about to take that out and fucking start whipping people with it. Fucking Sindel over here. Oh no, he's gonna try to attack me. I'll just slap him away. He'll fucking go 400 miles an hour. Damn, bro. Fuck. Oh, well, I'm sorry. Shut up. Please watch whole thing. Was that the whole thing? Oh, no. That's really good. Come on. All right, if I was that combo, I'd be like, all right, you got me. What was it? It was a fly, right? Or was it a spider? Spider? 100% justified scream. That might have been a spider. 100% just. Wait, hold on. Okay, that's just dust. We good? I saw a spider web earlier today, so that actually might be a thing. Like a spider thing. Spider thing. Fuck you. Fuck.
Dear God, I just...
Those are duck.
Okay, they're slowing down. Look at people on the scooter over there. Oh my God!
See, that's what you get. Karma.
Oh,
that motherfucker was racist before. You could tell. You could tell when someone's racist. If they're in here, if they're in one of those things, they were racist once in their life. That's karma. I smell it. I smell racism from him. It spilled out when he fucking cracked his head against that ground. It's gonna melt. Yeah, you're so fucking stupid. Jesus Christ. Especially those fucking cups. Those things are like... You get like a 200 pack of those at the 50-cent store. Those things suck. That's it. That's for water at the fucking little water... What are they called? The water tank. What are they called again? The water cooler. And you throw it away instantly after. Hey. Wait. Wait, what the fuck? You just lick it? Wait, you keep it out and then you do this and then it comes back. And then you do this and then it comes out. Wait, what the fuck did you say? That's skeleton potato. Skeletator. Skeletator. Yo, hey, can I tell you right now? This potato already a better Skeletor than Jared Leto. Oh wait, whoa, what's up? Wait. Yo, don't fucking player hate, bro. What'd you do? Just do it. Get the fuck out of here with your 1999 shirt. Get the fuck out of here, bro. What is that, vintage?
En el party me fumé unos
She's gonna
filis,
fall.
ya me siento como un rockstar.
I was right. She's like, oh, I can walk on water. Fucking white people, am I right? Think they can walk on water. Oh shit, sorry. That's an old one. I've seen that a lot. It's like a work of art. Yeah, damn, what are you crying about? What? Your favorite K-pop member left the group or something? See, this is what was missing in Endgame. He should have, after dabbing, he should have fucking cranked his shit. That's what would have made it better. Alright, let's see. He's gonna nail this, whatever. The fucking flailing. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't want that. What's up? Fuck you look at? Give me the side eye. Yeah, of course, classic. Oh.
Just making sure.
Bro was imagining dinner. You know what I mean?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm a furry. I was like, what the fuck is this? Like a furry thing? Oh. Yeah, that's good. Oh, your girlfriend. Oh, yeah.
You love me?
The fuck? Fuck so funny. The fuck is happening? Oh, because it's not moving? I don't fucking understand. What the hell? No, it goes in the mouth. Give me the...
What is it? Bearded dragon?
Bearded dragon.
Oh my
Baby dragon!
God, just like your little chat, look at that. Oh my loving lord. Oh, I love him.
And he's not little anymore.
No, he's not. Oh my... Oh,
That was mean. Zooming in on her scruff.
oh you
She's
little...
got more fucking hair than I can grow. God damn.
Bugger, you little...
The fuck? Pennywise, bro. What is this, Bill Skarsgård?
Hola, niño.
What the fuck? That's actually terrifying. You put like some fake ass teeth in it. I'm hoping those are fake. Yeah, this was so good. We get to see her again. Opa, fucking shit in my pants. Does Opa mean I shit my pants? Is that Greek? Opa. Yeah. Don't do it. This is... I don't understand. Ooh, here's a life hack. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Yeah, okay.
Oh, actually, can you get extra whipped cream? Oh, shit, my bad.
Yeah.
Hi, Kathy.
Drink all the water. Do like yeah, you.
Hi, Kathy.
Bye, Kathy. Ah, she must have been a small bitch. She fucking those coffee cup. You go buy fucking like a gas station. Yeah, can I get one of those styrofoam cups? You put fucking coffee. Yeah, I don't want to get I don't want my hand to be hot when I scoop a little bit of my dead friend or cousin or mom or whatever in there. Yeah, ashes can be hot. They burn them. They burn the body. They has to be hot. I mean, that's no stupider than fucking throwing ashes in the middle of a fucking... I can hear the wind. I don't even need to be there to know. Oh. Oh, and the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie. That's more. Look at them. They fucking... About to make more rats to eat your fucking trash. You're gonna fall. Fall. The fuck out of here. Oh, this is gonna like jump out at her or something. Yeah. I was like, I could tell if it was like a frog or a lizard or whatever.
Motherfucker.
Hell yeah, bro. Motherfucker. Fish. Yes. He fucking loves that shit. Oh, yes, let's go, baby. I fucking love fish. Let's go. All right, we're done. There goes it. Fuck you. Bye. Just get out of here.